Peace, family. Today, I want to talk about something that is a little bit different than I usually talk about, but I feel as though that I want to talk about it because it's very important. And the thing that I want to talk about is having a peace of mind while you live. Now, I do understand that many times what we do is that we want to do everything fast. We want to be able to pay our bills, and we're always thinking about how to survive and how to make it to the next day or the next month, or that we have responsibilities that we want to take care of. And I do understand that fully, but I would suggest that everyone take some time out to just relax, enjoy yourself, spend time with your family. Don't just always want to work and do things that we do on a normal basis. What you want to do is that you want to actually enjoy yourself. Go for a walk at the park. Go to the beach and relax, and just try to think about nothing. Try to think about just having a very clear mind and not things of the world, because when you do that, you get caught up in the world and you don't have the inner peace. You want to have inner peace while you live. You don't want to live always thinking about what's going on the outside. Focus on what's going on inside of you. Try to establish peace within yourself, because that's how you're going to be able to evolve and move to the next level. If you're always focusing on what's going on in the White House, or what's going on with police shootings and things like that, it's good to know those things, but it's also good to be able to relax and just enjoy yourself. So I would just encourage everyone to take some time out this week, next week, or you could do it once a month, twice a month. Go to a lake and just sit there by yourself, nobody, and just relax, enjoy yourself. As you can see, I have my headphones on right here, and I was actually listening to some meditation music because I actually do meditate. So, just enjoy yourself, all right? So, I just want to be able to talk to you all about that, because I know that on a day-to-day basis, we're always thinking about, taking care of everybody else, but take care of yourself. Take care of your health. And last but not least, never give in. Never give in. Always keep fighting. All right? And that's regardless of what it is. If it's to improve your credit, if it's to, get the things you want in life, never give in, because you are a winner and you are a God. All right, family? Y'all have a great one. I look forward to helping any of you who need my help. All right? Peace.